Hello, people of the internet. Well, I'm sorry this lighting sucks, but as I'm editing this, the day I'm editing this video, today's actually Dylan's birthday. So, if you guys see this video, wish him a happy birthday in the comments, even if it's months after. Do not mind my hair and my appearance right now. It's currently midnight and I'm filming this and editing. So I'm sorry. I'm going to take you guys through the whole process of when we got our floors done and all the spring cleaning I did in preparation for it. This whole process was super tedious and it was not fun at all. There's a lot of work that went into this and a lot of money that went into this. And now, weeks after we did it, now we're having moth problems. So now there's that, and it's been stressing me out so much, and I just want them to go away. But we've been having massive problems with moths, and the slinky hose from my dryer decided to pop off and I was smelling burning. So right now I can't use my dryer either. So I just feel like it's one thing after another going wrong and I've been so stressed out. My mental health, I feel like, is plummeted and it's just been really bad. I really want to get back into makeup stuff, but I have absolutely no motivation right now. Things are crazy. Anyway, I've rambled on way too long. If you guys want to see some spring cleaning and some before and afters of all the work that we did to the house, keep on watching.
lost in the feeling. I just need a win. I'm going off, I know it's time to make a change, and I can take the pain. You wanna sink or swim? I'm gonna go down swinging. Look deep within. I get lost in the feeling. I just need a win. I'm gonna find my meaning. I can make a change. I wanna play